Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, like you already know, and you're welcome. The hairstyle you just saw there is what we are actually trying to create. So if you want to learn how I made that very beautiful coily hair, coily hair is actually the in thing right now. It's the hairstyle that everybody is making. So if you want to learn how I did that in no time, continue to watch this video and I'll explain everything to you. The extension color I used is Chapman, though I put that on the screen. So in case you like the extension color, just go for that color, Chapman. So guys, before we continue, I just want to say, if you have anything to say or there's any kind of hairstyle you want us to create on this channel, put it in the comment section and I'll be here to respond and act accordingly. If you have any questions regarding this hair or you just love the hair, please put it in the comment section. Encourage me and I want to interact with you. Thank you. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment. I all of this actually means a lot to me, and click on that subscribe button because I want you to be a part of this wonderful community. I will see you. Let's keep going. In order not to waste so much of your time in this, because I believe a lot of people already know how to do the basic box braid, because this is actually the basic box braid. But if you watch my pattern, you'll notice that I was actually hiding the hair. Like, I don't want the hair to pop out from the extension, so I actually did that tucking method in this hair. And to speed it up, I just had to like cut off some parts, because everybody knows how to braid, right? So now this is actually the feed-in braid pattern. So let's just watch on. Don't forget to click the like, share, comment, and subscribe button. I want you to be a part of this community. Thank you. Please do not forget. If you haven't done so, please do so right now. Thank you. So we have different methods to actually create your coil on your synthetic extension, but hot water is actually the basic thing that we all use. So I decided to use the thread method because this threading method is actually way faster. So I decided to use this threading method. You can also use your rollers, but though they produce different kind of coil, but I decided to use this thread method because this method is one method that has always been so beautiful, and it is very very fast. It is like less time consuming. So yeah, that is it. So how you do it, you actually create some gaps. They call it some gaps, but while you're doing that, you will twist the hair, like you're twisting the hair, not just actually creating a some gaps with a thread on the extension, like just like that. You have to like twist it a little bit, so that when you twist it a little bit, then you create the some gaps and then draw it to bring it closer. That is actually the system of doing this kind of coil. Please do not just like pass your thread across it like that. Create some gaps with a twisted extension. Then that's that. So after which, put in the hot water like you can see on the screen. Then you cut out the thread so that you can get your coil. So guys, watch on. I will just leave you to watch the rest and we'll talk later. Thank you. I just wanted to add this because I decided to speed up this area because it's very very like explainable. So I decided to, after like the coil, after the hot water process and cutting out the thread, I decided to like separate the coils. So that is actually what I'm doing here. In case you don't understand, I'm separating the coils, like so each of them stands on its own, like they are not all together, like packed together like the way I did it then. So that is what I'm creating here right now. So guys, I hope you liked the final review of the hair. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. Please click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Please, you can check out my other videos in the channel. Bye for now. Thank you.